Hi, so first I'm gonna explain the part 1 and then the part 2. So in the first part, I used sudo airmon ng start plan 0 to set my USB adapter to the monitor mode, and then I used ifconfig to see what the username, what the name of it is, and then I used sudo iwconfig vlanmon channel 1 to set it to the channel 1 because since my channel is 1. And then there was a problem with me. So when I tried to install a Wi-Fi Pumpkin 3 using the command given, it said unable to locate package no matter how many times I did it. So I researched, went through internet and found the sudo git clone command of the Wi-Fi Pumpkin 3.git, and then I used that command, and then I could easily download Wi-Fi Pumpkin 3 from the git repository, and then it needs Python 2 function, so I installed Python pyqt5. Here it shows it already exists because I already installed while making this video. So after installing Wi-Fi Pumpkin 3, I used sudo Wi-Fi Pumpkin 3 to access its command prompt, and then after accessing it command prompt, I executed the commands that were given. So first one was use Wi-Fi deauth, and then I used VLAN 0 instead of VLAN 0 mon, so it didn't work the first time, but when I used the VLAN 0 mon, set interface to VLAN 0 mon and then scanned, I could scan the networks in my area. So as you can see now, I can scan all of the networks. After scanning through these networks and understanding what the information is saying, I then proceeded on to execute the other commands that were given. So I found the basis of my network using the netsh VLAN show interface in my command prompt, and then I got the BSS ID. I took that BSS ID and then I added it. Using the BSS ID, and then saying executing the command targets, and then as you can see, the BSS ID is being added to the targets list, and the deauthentication process is on. Once the deauthentication process is on, I performed a Wireshark to see if the deauthentication packets were being sent, and I used the filter especially to see only the deauthentication packets, and I could see that the packets were sent. So to check it again, I took out the filter, and then I tried to see the deauthentication packets along with other packets that were being sent. I could see that the deauthentication packets were being sent along with other packets. And when I tried to connect a wireless client to my device, it is asking for password again and again. So I guess the deauthentication process was working. And then coming to the part 2, in this part too, what I did was, initially I set the VLAN to down, as in I used the command sudo ifconfig VLAN 0 down, and then I changed the mode of it to managed, and then I set it up again. And after here, I installed the Arnesia. Fortunately, Arnesia was installed for me very quickly, and then I accessed its prompt using the sudo Arnesia -d command that was given in the lab manual. And after doing that, I was able to access its command, as its window. So as you can see, I've changed the settings of it. I've set it to VLAN 0, and then using the launch attack, I've set it to sending discover packets. So I made the changes that were given in the manual, and after that I've created a hotspot for the laptop, and then I connected my adapter to the laptop hotspot. I'll show that to you in a bit. I connected it, that is why I could see the discover packets being sent. As you can see, I connected it to the laptop hotspot. So these were all the DHCP packets that were being sent once I used it. And then I went ahead and performed a Wireshark to see if the DHCP packets were actually being sent, and I could see that only the DHCP packets were being sent. So this is the end of the part 2.